Hi guys, welcome back to my class. Last time we discussed about the 10 primary vowels. I hope you already familiarize all the vowels because for today's lesson, we will learn a new set of vowels which is the 11 secondary vowels. 11 secondary vowels consist of 4 right vowels and 7 below vowels. In secondary vowels, it is a combination of 2 vowels to come up to a new set of vowels. So, if you already familiarize the primary vowels, it is easier for you to understand. So, let's proceed to 4 right vowels. In right vowels, we have a rule. The vowel E will sound as E. It will sound as E. This rule is only applied here, okay? Because you will combine it to another vowel. So, let's take a look. Our first vowel is the combination of the vowel A, plus the vowel E. Always remember the rules in secondary vowels about right vowels that it will sound as E. So, it will become A plus E. So, this. It looks like letter H in the Roman alphabet. It will sound as E. E. Again. E. 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 So, next vowel, it is a combination of vowel Ya. Ya plus vowel E. It will become as Ya plus E. It will become Ye. As I said in the previous video, if the vowel is pronounced with letter Y, it consists of 2 hands or 2 lines. This vowel is pronounced as Ye. Again, Ye, Ye, Ye. Next is combination of the vowel O plus E. It will come up to O plus E is E. E. So, as you can see, they have the same pronunciation of the first vowel. E and E. So, again, E, E, E. So, the last right vowel in the secondary vowels is the combination of the vowel Yo and the vowel E. It will become as Ye. Ye. Again, O plus E is Ye. 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 As you observe, they have the same pronunciation with these other vowels. E, ye, e, ye. We have an example here. Let's try to write the vowel ye. Let's try to write the vowel ye. Again, because it is a vowel only, we should write first the consonant, the substitute or the silent consonant iyong. Then the vowel ye. Iyong. Then the vowel ye. Should be written at the right side of the consonant. So, ye, which means yes. So, that's all for the right vowels. So, let's proceed to the 7 below vowels. So, in below vowels, we also have a rule. The vowel O or U will sound as W. So, let's see the first one. Combination of let's apply our rules here. W plus the vowel A became Wa. The combination of the two vowel, it will become Wa. Again, Wa. It is the vowel Wa. So, another one. Combination of W plus E is, it will become We. We. Again, W plus E become We. Another is combination of W plus E, or our rules in right vowel sound as E, become We. 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 Another one is the vowel U. Also, our rules applied here. It will become W plus E. This one, it will sound as E, as in primary vowels. E, not E. So, it will pronounce as We. We. Harder. It is harder to pronounce than this one. The vowel We. Next one is the vowel W plus O. It will become Wo. Wo. W, then O become Wo. wo. Another one is U, or our rules W plus E. It will become we. And last is, it is the combination of vowel U and the vowel E. So it looks like this. It will pronounce as uy. So as you observe, some of our secondary vowels have the same pronunciation. So this one, way. Then we. Just as simple as we. This one, harder. We. Then this one, it is more complicated or with force. We. So that's the 7 below vowels. The 7 below vowels and the 4 right vowels. So let's try to have some example. The word wa-yo. So how do you write that in Hangul? So first, because it is a vowel and it also a vowel, we should first put the substitute consonant, which is the ing. Then the vowel wa. So as we discussed earlier, wa. This one, wa. Let's put it here. Let's write it down here. Wa. Then vowel yo again. Iung first. And vowel yo. Do you remember what the vowel you like? It's like this, yo. So when you read that, wa yo, it means come in Korea. So that's it, guys. These are the secondary vowels. So I hope you understand and learn how to read and write these secondary vowels and familiarize them all, guys, because next video I will teach you the consonants. So thank you again for watching and see you on my next video lesson. 감사합니다.